Hello children, I am Gino and Saji. I am here with a new topic, our friends, animals. In this video, we are going to learn about feeding habits of animals and interdependence of human beings and animals. Children, let us first learn about feeding habits of animals. Children, animals need food for their growth and energy. They cannot prepare food by themselves. So, they always depend on plants or other animals for their food. Let us now classify the animals into groups according to their feeding habits. Herbivorous animals. Children, herbivores are the kinds of animals that only eat vegetation such as grass, leaves, vegetable, fruits, etc. Carnivorous animals. Carnivorous are the kinds of animals that eats other animals such as lion, tiger, eagle, etc. Omnivorous animals. Omnivorous are the kinds of animals that eat both plants and animals for their main food such as bear, rat, dogs, etc. Yes, children, do you all know? Some animals swallow their food like frog, lizard and snake do not use teeth to bite or chew the food. Frogs and lizards catch their prey with the help of a sticky tongue. The snake can open its mouth very wide to swallow its prey. Children, now let us learn about interdependence of human beings and animals. Plants, human beings and animals depend on each other for their survival. Animals and human beings need food to eat and oxygen to breathe. Plants give them food to eat and oxygen to breathe. Human beings and animals release carbon dioxide, which is used by plants. Children, now let us talk about how human beings depend on animals for many things. I am sure each one of us like to drink milk in the morning and evening. But children, do you all know from where do we get milk? Yes, children. Animals like cow, goat and buffalo gives us milk. Animals like duck, hen gives us eggs. Animals like goat, hen, duck, etc. gives us flesh. The sweater we wear is made of wool, and wool is obtained from sheep. Children, all leather items like belt, shoes, bags, wallet comes from animals like cow, buffalo and snake. Some animals like horse, donkey, carry loads for us. Children, do you all know some animals look after our house, like dogs guard our house and cats keep the mice away? Children, this is how we are dependent on animals. Children, animals are also dependent on human beings for their various needs such as food, shelter, protection, etc. The animals whom we make our pet or use for domestic purpose are totally dependent on us for food and shelter. Do you all know nowadays street animals also depend on human beings as there is decrease in number of grassland and vegetation in the cities. Street animals also look upon to the human beings for their food. Children, wild animals also depend to some extent on human beings for their protection and care. Due to deforestation and hunting, wild animals are getting into the category of endangered species. So, they need our protection and care. And nowadays, our government has started many schemes to protect these animals in zoo, national parks, etc. So children, these are the different ways that animals and human beings are interdependent in an ecosystem because they depend on each other for their basic survival needs like food, protection, shelter, etc. I hope you all have learnt and enjoyed this video. So, children, till we meet next time, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.